So it's Saturday night, and it's a snowstorm, and we're trapped in here, pretty much. It's about 1.5 feet of snow out there, maybe more. We hadn't exactly measured it, but it's there. And we're just having too much fun, honestly. We're a couple of beers in, a bottle of wine completely gone, and soup, which Tabby clearly has not had any of yet. I love you too. I'm number one. I'm number one. Yeah, we're dealing with that, and we're having ourselves a couple of marathons of things. We're just kind of watching whatever we want because we can. And oh no, my Lego man. Hold on, very carefully. No! The treasure chest is gone. The Blue Lion Kingdom is forever forsaken. I have failed. But, you know, that's all in a night's work. Alright, well, this is just another upload because you guys are probably just as bored as I am. Have fun, and I'll probably see you in like 10 minutes.